Hey, Wild Badger sent me this 4-in-1 landscaping tool for free to check out. So we're gonna get it all set up. I'll show you the 4 functions and I'll let you know what I think. Here we got everything laid out from the package. There is some assembly required, but it's not too difficult. All right, we're gonna first check out the Weed Whacker string trimmer here. So you have your string on the bottom. This is double-sided. This comes with 3 spools of string, and then to feed this is a bump feed. So when you need more string, you're gonna tap it down on the ground. So this does seem to have quite a bit of kick. Let's test it out over here. This is working pretty well. I would definitely recommend wearing safety glasses though. So this worked really well on grass, and even that tall brush that I was just cutting. This also comes with a brush cutter. We're gonna check that out and show you how much better that works. Now this is pretty dangerous if you're not careful. You might wanna wear some protection on your legs, and you're gonna wanna make sure that this gets installed correctly. This is a left-handed thread nut. Tighten your nut. There's a little hole here where you can insert your wrench to lock the rotation in place when you are tightening this, but please be very careful. This did a nice job cutting down this brush, but once again, just be very careful. All right, now we're going to check out the pole saw. Now there is a compartment here for chain and bar oil. This doesn't come with the oil, but you can buy it on Amazon or any local hardware store, but make sure you have oil in this. Now I'll show you how this extension easily comes off. You're gonna pull out this pin in the back, loosen up, this pulls right out. So we're gonna line this bar up inside here, and then there's a little hole on the side that you're gonna line up with this pin. Okay, we got it in place. Push in your pin on the side, then you're gonna tighten up the nut, and you're ready to go. There's also a cover for the blade. I would definitely recommend keeping that on while you're walking around to prevent injury. And what you're also going to want to do, whether you're using the Weed Whacker or cutting branches, you're going to want to get a pair of safety glasses just to be extra careful. There's also a middle extension piece if you wanted this to be longer, if you had a higher tree or branch, but I'm just going to use this length right now to demonstrate. So let's cut down a branch. All right, we are going to cut down this dying branch up here. That made really quick work for that branch. It was really easy, and this can probably handle bigger branches as well. And like I said, you can install the additional extension if you need to go higher. All right, now we're gonna check out the Hedge trimmer. It's got some slide covers. You have to use the middle extension piece to put this on, but that wasn't too difficult. I'll show you how it runs. You are able to adjust this head so you can get the correct angle. This could probably even trim some grass, or if you needed to trim the top of a hedge, you can angle it and set it up like that. I think that's really cool. Let's check it out on a couple bushes. This comes with a 40-volt battery and charger. You can check how much you got on your battery on the front here. I like that feature. I like that I don't have to add gas to this. I don't have to start it up and have trouble priming it. I love that it just fires right up. This is also easy to take apart for transportation. Comes right apart and you can put it in your car. This also comes with an adjustable strap here. If you're gonna be doing a lot of work low, this kind of takes up some of the weight, or if you're gonna be high, it kind of just gives you a little bit more support, but that strap attaches right onto the pole. So all in all, I love the maneuverability and the portability of this 4-in-1 landscaping tool. This is definitely gonna be a tool that I use to maintain my lawn for the years to come.